this is Aliyah. Let's continue the cookie series. Today we're going to learn how to make homemade almond paste. It's much easier than you'd think and much cheaper than store-bought. So let's start. You will need blanched almonds, sugar, softened butter, orange blossom water, and gum arabic. First, let's prepare the gum arabic or mesca. Add a pinch of sugar to a few mesca pebbles and crush them with the bottom of a cup until you get a fine powder. Next, using a food processor, mix the blanched almonds with the sugar until you get a smooth paste. The paste should be smooth enough that you can roll it into shapes. In a large bowl, place the almond mixture, add a little bit of orange blossom water, and softened butter. Knead the ingredients with the tip of your fingers. You can also use the food processor if you want. Add a pinch of ground mesca and keep mixing until you get a very smooth almond paste. You can keep this almond paste in an airtight container for up to 1 month in the fridge or a couple of months in the freezer. Bon appétit!